Hey guys, welcome once again in this video. And as I told you in my last video, in this we are going to learn about how to send faxes between two RightFax servers. Okay, this is the video for the today, and scenario is very simple. You are working for a company and you have tie up with another company to send and receive faxes. Okay, and you have one domain controller and other company is having another domain controller. That is one possibility. For example, your company is abcd.com and another company is xyz.com. So you have to make proper communication and synchronization between both the server to communicate and send and receive faxes. So here what I am doing, I am using two servers and one domain controller. Okay, and both RightFax server are from same domain controller, but we are making communication between both the server. If I send faxes from win1 server, so win2 should receive it. Okay, and if you send from win2 or win_r2 server to win_r1 or win1 server, that also should be delivered properly. So here only you can see. Okay, uh, this icon says it is a inbound fax. Okay, it is a incoming fax, and this icon tells you this is a outgoing fax. So if you look at this, okay, this fax has come from server 1. Okay, server 1, you should understand the statistics or information which is available, and here you can see date and time, 4:49:46 p.m. it came at this time, and it has one page and status is okay. Okay means it is received successfully from fax server 1. Okay, and here also status is okay, so it is sent to another server which is having fax number 25 times 0 and 1. Okay, user 1. So this is what I'm going to show you. So here going further, I would inform you or let you know few things. So here you can see this is my win1. Okay, win1 server, and this is my active directory also, and this is another server win_r2. Okay, you can see here this is my fax server, and I have fax number 2 lakh and 1 starting from here. So I have created some around 50 fax number on this server. So it is a range of 2 lakh 1. Okay, and this side if you look, fax number, it is having 1 lakh 1 starting. Okay, and I have assigned, if you look at win1 server, to 2 lakh 1 to r user 1, RightFax user 1. Okay, and this side you can check like I will tell you. For example, I am talking about user 3. So user 3 is having 1 lakh 2. This is the fax number. So what we are going to learn here, if I send from this server any fax, it should deliver here, and if any fax we are sending from this side, it should deliver here. Okay, this is what I'm going to show you. So we will be sending couple of test faxes to user 5, user 4. Okay, from win1 server, and from win_r2 server we will send couple of faxes to any user, for example r user 2 or r user 3. That is what I'm going to show you, and what happens once fax comes from another server. Okay, this is what I'm going to discuss in this. So I would request at the end of this video, whatever you can do, share, like, subscribe, comment. Okay guys, so let me take you to my server. So I have two servers here, I am using same. Okay, this AD is my win_r1. Okay, So you can see this is win1. Okay, win1 this server, and this side I have you can see this is win2. Okay, and this is not my domain controller. I can show you it is not the domain controller. It is part of rightfax.com. Okay, and if I tell you, this is my active directory. I have installed active directory and one rightfax server also on the same server. So this is my domain controller, additional domain control. Oh, active directory domain service. Okay, and this is what. For example, if I tell you I had sent a couple of faxes earlier. So guys, to make this, okay, in my last video I spoke about RightFax doc transport configuration, where you have to add uh, you know this thing, couple of channels, and now I would show you one trick. For example, you want to send faxes between these two servers, how you can do it. So what you have to do, sorry, so first of all you should check here what is the IP address of server. So for this active directory is 100. Okay, and for this second server is 101. So you have to add this entry on uh, doc transport server. So you need to go to doc transport server, here configure brook root. Okay, this brook root I will show you in my later on video in detail how to configure this step by step. And you need to go to SIP and IP parameters. So guys, you can see here, this is my 101 IP address. Okay, this server. So you have to give cross from where you want to receive and send to faxes. So that IP address you have to give. So this 100 is from this server, so I need to give that IP address here, where IP parameters. Okay, and close it. You have to save it and close it. So as of now it is already saved, I'm not doing anything. Okay, and just closing it. And similarly you have to go to this server, this active directory, and here also you have to make the same setting. So you need to go to doc transport and brook root. Okay, and then you need to go to advanced mode. Yes, I'm just showing you because I have already done it. You can see here, this is my 100 IP address active directory, but here I have given 101 of the other server, so that I can send faxes to that server and receive from that server. That is how you have to make settings. Okay, and channels should be both in both capacity, so it can receive and send. Okay, you should check this properly, and uh, will send now faxes. Okay, so let's see, these are the sent faxes already, and 9:45 you can see now it is 10:16 p.m. and let me go to this server also, and we will be sending faxes from RightFax fax util, guys. Okay, fax util is used to send and receive faxes and manage faxes. So before that I would show you one more thing. If you go to this doc transport server, okay, and this, so you can see I have mapped this set fax ID for the channel. So this should be reflecting on receiving fax from where it came. Okay, so that is what, if we are sending any fax, it should reflect. Okay, so I have what I have given here, right, fax. Oh, fax server 2, let me make it uh, 2023. Okay, this side for testing you should know actually it is happening or not. So I am making it fax server 2023. Okay guys, for example, let me show you what I'm talking about. This fax came from fax server 1. Okay, so once we receive fax from this server on AD, it should reflect fax 2, or receiving from uh, server 2. Okay, fax server 2, it should reflect here wherever it is coming, user 1 or user 2. So that is what I just wanted to make you very clear. So you can see here it is showing you fax server only. Okay, and it is 8:36. Now you can see here fax 2 is coming because these are the old faxes. Okay guys, and let's try to send a fax to uh, uh, this side. Okay, so I would make it very clear you guys by showing fax number assigned to user, so it will be easy. Okay, and go to fax number, and from here you can see, for example, uh, so guys, you can see here 1,06,000 is assigned to user 6. Okay, so I can check here user 6. Now I will send a fax to this user. Oh, I think this is created manually, so nothing is available. Okay, let's try test. Sorry. User 4, will check user 4. Routing, it got hang. Okay, it is hanged. So we'll send to user 4. Okay, from Active Directory, and we are sending, yes, no, from server 2 we are sending. Okay, from it got disconnected. I don't know what is happening. So guys, here routing 1,04,000 is the number for user 4. Okay, so user 4 is available on second server WinR2. So we will send from Active Directory to this number 1,04,000 user 4. So you need to go to fax, new fax, and user 4, and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4. This is the number. You can add cover sheet from here if you want any message. You can put message also. Hello, hi, testing from Win1AD. Okay, and check number once again and send it. So it is in waiting for phone expansion. First step, it is checking channel. Okay, and at what time we have sent? We have sent at 10:20 p.m. So we'll wait for some time because it has certain process to follow. As of now it is at next stage, which is scheduled to be sent. Okay, once everything is confirmed, once it is done, once every step, every process is done, it will give you a message. Okay, now it is scheduled to be sent. Next step will be sending. So you can click here on refresh and check. So we have sent user 4 at 10:20 p.m. If we go to this and fax util, okay, and user 4, okay, user 4 is here, so we should receive it here if everything is successful and properly. So nothing is there, or if it is not showing here, then it should come to administrator. So you can see here one fax came, this fax came. Okay, this fax came at 10:21 p.m. from server 1. We have sent from server 1, and you can refresh it, so you can see the status is okay. Okay, and yes, there will be a difference of time because it takes to process. So we have sent from the server 1, Win1, okay, and to user 4, and it got delivered to user 4. It is not got delivered to user 4, but it got delivered here. So whatever is coming, it is coming to administrator. Everything you can check on administrator. Okay, So this is not a big problem. And user 4, it got delivered to user 4. Okay guys, now I'll show you a couple of things. Okay, here if you go to let's understand about this sending side first. Okay, so we have sent this fax. Okay, this is called property of the fax. Okay, so first of all you can see image, whatever data we are sending, so it is a default image. Okay, and this I had texted hello hi testing from Vineri. So this is going to be receive on next server. Very simple. From here you can navigate a couple of things. You can click here. Okay, and it got hanged once again. So from this server we have sent this side. Okay, let me check. Okay, you can navigate. You can go to you can check here, even it is going to fax server 2. Oh, it is going from this 1 minute. What we have configured here on this, I just want to check. Okay, this is showing 1, so not an issue. So we are checking here, okay, on this. So it is going to another server. Later on we can check why it is not showing 2020. It should show, not an issue. And it is showing you page and fax server, time, date and time, and user, from who sent, okay, and notes and all. You can zoom it from here, you can reduce, you can pan image, and couple of things you can check from here. Okay guys, you can give print image, you can save it, you can forward this to another user, you can forward this to, I mean, you can route it to another user. Okay, and forward this fax to a new fax number. So these are the options we have, and even you can rotate it. Okay, you can go to this tools, zoom. Apart from this is an image. We are talking about image part. Now we have history also. Okay, so if you go to history, you can see a couple of things from here, and it is very important. This is a job for a RightFax administrator. Actually, they need to deal with the history day to day. So guys, once again you can see it is showing you received from remote ID. Okay, fax server 2. So what the facts we are checking? 1498. We are at 10 26. Which fax I took? Okay, I just went to this fax. Actually, I should open this fax. Okay, which we have sent. Sorry. The same thing here. You will see the user information. If you go to history now, you can check. So here this part is very important. Okay, where we have sent, you can check phone number. Okay, and it is created by administrator on behalf of our user 1, and you can check this cover sheet is successfully created. It generated TF file. You can check here this TF file, and status is success, this one. Okay guys, and apart from this you can see below it is successful, result is successful. Okay, apart from this it has created one unique ID. This is very important, and you can check here this remote ID we are sending to fax server 2023. Okay, that is the recipient, receiving side. So these are the couple of things you should know, because it is very important for day-to-day work as a RightFax administrator. So this is what I just wanted to discuss here. Now let's check this check the same fax at receiving end. So you can see here it is telling you sent. Okay, so this is a sent fax at 10:21. Now we'll check what is the status once it is received on another server, this side. So this was the fax which is received. You can check this icon. Okay, and from fax server 1, let's open this. So the same status you can check here, user and couple of things, fax number and all. Okay, whatever is coming. Now you, if you go to history, so this is history. Okay, so what we show here from sending server, couple of details. Okay, now we'll see at receiving end. I don't know why it is hanging so much today. So this is from sending side. Okay, now we are checking at receiving side. So once again you can check this, you can expand, and you can see here it is a received fax, and it is showing you received from remote ID fax server 1. So this is my fax server 1. If I go to property, and this is fax server 1, this fax server 1. Okay, it is came from this, and apart from it is created one unique ID. So every fax, sending fax or receiving fax, both will have one unique ID. Okay, again it is showing you when it came to this server which channel is used for incoming. So it is showing you channel used 4. Channel 4 is used on server when R2 for receiving this fax. Okay guys, and again you can check this status is successful. So this is a receiving side, this is a sending side. Let's now what we will do, we'll send one fax from this server to another server. Okay, so we are sending from R2, win R2 to win one server. So let's take R3. Okay, R user 3, I'm taking this, and it has 2,03,000 as a fax number. So from this win R2 we are sending create new fax. Okay, and let me go to fax this one. Okay, I am at user 3. From here I am creating name. So R user 3, and it has number 2,03,000. This is the fax number, and hello 2,03,000. Hi, bye. So this should reflect there. Okay, once it is received on Active Directory side. So just click send it and wait for the completion. So it is in first step, which is in FCS conversion, then schedule to be sent, then sending. So these are the steps it has to follow. And now you can see it is showing time 10:31 p.m. Okay, we are sending from this server to this server. So I'm closing this, and we are sending it to user 3. User 3 here, either it will come to user 3. Everything is got hanged on this server. Okay, it came down. Cool. So as of now we don't have any fax on user 3. Okay, and no fax on administrator also. So we have to refresh it, and this side also. And first of all we have to check at sending side. So you can see now fax came to user 3 only. We are on fax mailbox of user 3, and just now this fax came. It was sent at 10:31 by second server, which is fax server 2023 name we had given. And now we'll check the statistics or what and all information is received. So you can see it is a received fax from remote ID. Remote ID what we gave here is simple. You can check with this. Okay, again and again I'm showing you the same thing. This is remote ID. Okay, and what is there more? It is showing used channel on win1. So when it came to this one, okay, it used channel number 4. If you click this channel was used for receiving, and again it is a successful receive. That is why it is showing green here. Okay, and if you go to image, you can check to user 3 we had sent to this number and from this number, this fax number. So guys, this is what I wanted to discuss you in detail, how to send and receive, and you know configure fax servers for sending and receiving. I hope it is informative to you, and if you want to learn more, uh, you know what you have to do. You have to uh, do only a small thing, which is subscribe, share, like, and comment. Okay, and further I will discuss in my coming up videos about the rest of things, and what we saw we have seen at receiving end. Okay, let me go to sending side also. Sending fax. So this is again received fax what we have sent. This one, if you open it, you can check history here once again. So again it is having one, uh, it created TIFF file. Okay, and to this number we have sent, this is unique ID, and channel used this one for sending channel 1 on server win R2. Okay, and the result is successful. If any error is there, it will show here. If there is a problem in this transmission, the result status will be different. Okay, I hope it is very clear, very simple to understand what I'm talking about. Okay guys, and you can even check remote server ID. This is uh, fax server 1. Okay, very simple, and I hope I'm making it, I'm delivering it to you guys in very simple language and simple way, and rest of is up to you what you can do, how you can learn. So I will meet you in next video guys. Till then, bye bye.